Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a black and white picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. So first you have to insert an image, and I'm going to click on insert on the upper left, then click on pictures and select something from my device. Now I'm going to simply scroll down and find a picture of myself here, and I'm going to insert that image. And as you can see, this picture here is colored, right? So I'm going to adjust it a bit, as you can see, and maybe I'm going to put a really nice border around that picture, something that make it looks really nice. So let's say I will use, let's say this one, right? So how do you put this in black and white? Simply click on the image, and under the picture format section, towards the left hand side, the upper left hand side, you have a section that called adjust. And if you click on the drop down that says color, you have a bunch of different colors that you can choose from. Now you want to look for the color saturation, the one that has 0. And if you click on that, you realize that your picture immediately turns into black and white. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you can change or convert a black and white image in Microsoft PowerPoint document. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.